Today we're going to talk a little bit about the paper that it's correct to use in fax machines. Now, most of today's laser printers are plain paper printers. In other words, they say you can use almost any paper. But you have to remember that these machines are designed for a standard 20-pound 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So if you're trying to run cardstock, index cards, that type of thing, unless your printer is specifically designed for that and has a port for it, I strongly recommend that you stick to 20-pound 8.5 by 11 paper. Most will also accept 8.5 by 14 or legal size paper through the doc feed. But remember, if you're faxing a document and the person at the other end only has letter paper in their fax, it will either come out on 2 sheets or it will reduce when it gets there. If you don't want that to happen, it's best you just send all your documents as letter size. Now, in the document feed, you want to use the smallest possible document that you can send through here is about 8.5 by 5.5. Don't try to copy checks through here. They'll get wrinkled up and jammed. Also, this particular machine has an envelope feeder. If that's available, you can copy our print on envelopes. But remember, that's your media that it prints on, not the media that it's sending. So basically, in summing up, a good 20-pound bond paper designed for use in office equipment, stick with the standard sizes and you should be fine.